All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
As I started to took my IELTS classes, so for this reason I made a habit to get up early in the morning because I have to reach there before 10 o'clock. As I live in an urban area, so face the traffic issues is a common factor. First of all, after getting got up early in the morning, I pressed my clothes, took my breakfast, and packed my bag, and went outside for a bus. And it was very great feeling for me on that day because everything of me went smoothly, and I come to know how beneficial it is to go up early in the morning.
Carry on a little more.
uh, uh,
Okay, you finished it at 47 seconds. So the first thing is try to speak more. Try to stretch the answer up to 1.5 minutes. And as I told you before, examiner should stop you. For speaking part 2, examiner should stop you, otherwise you can go on smoothly and all that. The first thing is confidence. You should be confident. Coming here and facing me should not be troublesome for you. You should be confident to deal with this thing, okay? Then you said, I faced the traffic. It should have been, I came across the traffic, or I faced the traffic. And then you said, after got up early. After we use ing. After getting up early, before going home. So after and after, before we use ing. After coming here, before coming here, like that. Then you said, well, I come to know. It should have been, I came to know. Then you said, to got up. After to, we never use second form. We use first form of the verb, right? So mainly grammar. Number 2, ideas. Number 3, vocabulary, variety of words. But the first thing you need to work on is your sentence structure, your grammar. That is important. Looking at all these things, I could give you 4.5, but I'll give you 5, okay? So work hard with it, because you spoke less than a minute, so this can be penalized greatly.